today's video, and today I'm going to be filming an eyebrow tutorial. As many of you guys want to know how to do your eyebrows, so I'm going to do this. So I have actually done my eyebrows because I went for a walk. So I'm just going to wipe off all the eyebrow pencil. There we go. So once I've wiped them off, I'm just going to make sure I'm not all wet. Okay, there we go. So the eyebrow pencil I'm using is the professional eyebrow pencil. Just looks like this. It's got a little brush. So the way I like to do my eyebrows is to start from here and then go in. So I'm just going to facial like that. Okay, so I'm going to start. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get it there and I'm going to stroke in like that. Don't press on too hard for the very beginning. You don't want to press on hard anyway. Just because you don't want it looking stupid. Okay. So like I say, you don't have to do it the way I do it. You can outline. So what I mean by outline your eyebrow is just going to like that and then like that. It looks on camera, it looks like I've really done it really dark, but I actually haven't. So this is how it looks. Like that. But once you've done that, you want to, on the lid, when you buy the product, you want to make sure it's got this little brush. All of them should have, but it depends on the pencil and the brand. So you want to get the brush and you want to just do this, brush it through. Your eyebrow just like this, and make sure it doesn't look silly. Blend it all in, just like that, and then do the same on the other eye. Just like that. And I'm just going to grab a quick wipe because it's a little bit overlapped on my eyebrow. Okay, so this is how your eyebrows should look afterwards. So I know this has been a bit of a shorter video, but I just wanted to tell you guys thank you ever so much for watching my videos and supporting them, and I'm so glad we have able to get this far. I didn't think I'd get this far, but I believed in myself that we'd get this far, so thank you ever so much for your love and support. But if you did enjoy today's video, then please like, comment and subscribe and turn that post notifications on so you never ever miss an upload. I now upload every Wednesday and Friday, so make sure to click that post notification bell because I tell everybody this because most of you don't do that, so you don't know when a video is out, if that makes sense. So make sure to do that. And yeah, bye guys, thanks for watching.